Okay, good morning, my lovely people. Welcome back again to Delroy Adventures TV. Thank God for another blessed day, and today we're gonna show you how to install a vent for a microwave. My son is here. He came over to help me to do it, so we're gonna knock it out. So stay tuned for that. Okay. All right. Now we're going to take the screws. First thing, we're gonna unscrew the screws that holds the microwave into the cabinet. Okay, so that's the one on the right, and also the one on the left. Okay, that's fine. I'll get that. All right, so once we take those two screws out, loosen them up, we're gonna take them out and we're gonna take the microwave down. We'll show you how. All right, so stay tuned. We're gonna show you how to rotate the vent and get it ready. All right, now people, we're getting ready to take that cover for the vent. Once you take that cover off, we're going to rotate the blower. Put the screws back into the back of the fan. We're gonna secure the fan in place. All right, now the fan has been secure. Now we're gonna put the plate back on top there. The piece that we took off. That piece right there. Okay, so we're getting ready to secure that plate there that goes over the vent. And you can use a hand screwdriver if you're not familiar with using a screw gun. Because if you use a screw gun and you go too fast, you will trip the hole and it won't be holding tight enough. So you have to be familiar with using a screw gun in order to do this. All right, so this here is done. Now stay tuned for the next phase. Okay, peeps, so now we're getting ready to cut the hole for the cord and for the vent. Now we're ready. Okay, now we install the fan. So now we're putting on the damper. That little piece there with the flap is called the damper. So we're installing that. Now, if you're going to get a damper, you have to get a damper for that competitive for the microwave that you're installing, because some may not fit. But this damper here, see that lip right there? That lip, when it starts blowing, it's going to flap up and the air goes out. And once you turn the microwave vent off, it goes back down and close off the opening. All right, so I have here a Frigidaire microwave. So I had to get a Frigidaire damper for this here. So stay tuned for the next process. Okay, so we already prepped for the vent to go up through the cabinet, up through the ceiling, and now we're getting ready to install the microwave, connect the vent, and then we're gonna go up inside of the ceiling and show you how it connects. Hang tight. You're good? Okay, tighten him up now, get the ladder. Okay, we're finished with that process, the installation of the duct going up to the ceiling. Now we have our box here, the cover. I had these cover pre-made. So once I put up the duct, I can put these over it to cover up that shiny looking. So you'll see how it goes, stay tuned. And when we get this done, we're gonna go up in the attic and show you the final phase of this project. Okay, so here is my flex duct that I am going to connect from that duct that I sent from inside of the house up into the attic. And then I'm going to out through my gooseneck that I had up there. So this is what we're going to use. So come along with me. Okay. This is what the attic looks like. This is up in the attic. Go. Just coming down from up in the attic. It's hot, but that's my gooseneck that we connect the duct to, the duct from the microwave. That's the gooseneck that it goes to, so it can vent it out and create the suction from inside to blow out. So when you're cooking, the smell will comes out through that and not inside of the house. All right. What is it? 1,
12:15.
12:15. That's it. All right. All right. So again, thank you, my son, for coming along and take care of this thing. Looking good. Everything works so far. So thanks again. Voila. Okay, my good people. So seems like we come to the end of our project, and that's how you uninstall a microwave, also reinstall it, and also install the vent for the microwave. I hope you guys enjoy this video with us, and stay tuned for more video coming. Thank you guys for watching. Again, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to Delroy Adventures TV. So thanks again for everything. You guys have a blessed day. Thank you.